So till now, what we have seen is we have created table like this, and we are able to sort it according to whatever field we want. If we want to sort it according to male, we are able to sort the sort the table according to the male in the ascending or descending, that is alphabetical or reverse alphabetical order. Okay, same thing is happening for everyone. So now the next challenge that I want to take up is, what I want to do is I want to have a search box at the top, and I want to search for some value, for some text in that. That text may be included in the name, or in the username, or in the email, whatever be it, or maybe in the phone number, whatever be it. Okay, let me try to do that. So first what I'll do is, so how will that thing work? That will again require another custom pipe. I'll use another custom pipe, that is a search pipe for that. Okay, so we'll create that for, but first let me create the input field. Okay, so for the input field, what I'll do is, before the table, I'll just have a div. So here, we have an input field. Input type is equal to text, and this text input type equal text will have some value, right? When we enter something, so that thing we need to bind it using ng model to a variable, to a property. So let me name it as query. Okay, this query property I need to have it here in our component file. So let me have it something like this: query is of type string, and initially let me assign an empty string to it. Okay, okay, fine. Now what will happen when I enter some value here? The query property value will change, isn't it? This query property value, what will be that query property? That is the text what I have entered. So that text needs to be passed to the custom pipe. So here I need to use another pipe. Now one thing to be noted is that we can apply more than one pipe to an array or value, whatever we have here. Okay, so this value, in our case the value is users, so we can add more pipes here, just like this. This is known as chaining pipes. Okay, so this way we'll create one pipe named search, for example, and we'll pass this query value to this pipe. Okay, so just like this. Okay, this way we'll pass the query value to the search pipe. Now the search pipe is not created, so let's create the search pipe. So in the app folder, ng generate search. Okay, ng generate pipe, name of the pipe is search. Okay, once I do this, the search pipe is created, and we can see it here. So the search pipe is created. Okay, now we need to pass the things. So here the value will be the whole array, and in the args what will come? So value is of type any, and args is now not an array, it's just a string. Okay, arg is of type string. Okay, and this one I can put any. Okay, so here what will happen? Here what I write is a return. So now there are two conditions. Initially, when the search string, that means here initially when I don't write anything. So let me check it once. Control KS. Okay, so when I don't write anything, what should happen? Initially when I load the component, all the values should be shown. Okay, so how do I do that? In the search pipe, I will write here if, what is that value? That value will be arg, isn't it? So if arg is there, only then it will check for some, it will do some search in it. If arg is not there, let's say else arg is not there, we are not passing any string to the input field, then it will return the whole value. Okay, return value that we have here. Okay, now if we check here, we are getting the whole table when we are not writing anything. Okay, fine. Now if the value, if some value is there, what we need to do is we have to check in the value. So what is value? Value is the whole array. So value dot filter. So here we will give the condition So let me take one variable like any a, we will type any, and here what I'll do is I need to give a condition. What will be the condition? Return. So what I want to do is for each object, so a is the object, what I'll do is I'll turn the whole object into a string, and in that string I'll try to search for this arg value. Okay, so json dot stringify, json dot stringify of json dot stringify of what? That is the a is the object. But if I use a directly, what will happen? A may contain capital letters, small letters, anything, isn't it? And if we type their small letter and it is not able to search there, let's say java is there, java is, in java the j is capital, and if I search with small j, it will not be able to search for that. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll convert this a json dot string 5a, this will convert the a object into a string, and now I'll convert this to lowercase, so lowercase, and then here I will search for that. So there is a string method called includes, string dot includes, so I'll use that. Includes, what does it include? I need to check if it contains arg, that is the value we are passing in the input field. Again, that may be a small letter or capital letter, we don't know, isn't it? So what I'll do is again I'll convert that arg into lowercase so that there are no confusions. So whatever we are getting, everything is converted to small letters so that it will be able to search for it. Okay, now this will return the value, correct value, whichever objects are matching the condition. That means whichever objects are having the entered string that we have entered into the input field will be returned, and those values will be shown. Okay, now let's check this whether it is working fine. So let's say we have one Glenna. Okay, I'll just search this Glenna. Okay, I'm getting it. Then it is according to the name. Now let me search something like from the username Camden. Am I getting Camden? Yes, I'm getting. Then let's say this Carley or Sherwood. I'll search this Sherwood. Okay, I'm getting that. So this way you can get whatever you want. Okay, Clementina and Clementine too are there, so I'll write CLEME, so I'm getting both of them. Okay, so whatever be the condition, if it matches with one or more of the objects, it will be shown. Okay, so let me put something more here. That is fine. I'll just add some better look to this search box. So what I'll do is here uh, I'll add a class equal to search box, and I'll just put some margin. Search box here, what I'll add is margin bottom is 20 px, and let me put some, what it is called, placeholder, so that it will show search. Okay, save and go to the browser. Now you can see search is written here. We got a little bit gap. Okay, fine, everything is working fine. Chelsea, yeah, we are getting it. Okay, that's it for this session.